Hello everyone, this is Eli's Gaming and I'm gonna be doing a video on I forget what it's called, hold up. Supercar plane. No. Woo!
And he's here with his stepbrother, Xavier.
And his other stepbrother.
Oh my gosh. My god, I feel like Will Smith with a whole bunch of his family members. Oh my god. Yes. But really? Okay, we're back. Stop. Oh, I got
Yay!
Shut up.
Dog life.
No. Yes. No thug life. Yes, thug life.
I'm at dope.
Yay.
Give me a furrow marker. That's for Marcus.
What?
Then give it to Junior.
There's still more slime. Give me it. So if you guys like this video, smash the like button.
In the face.
Xavier, if I let you have that one.
Okay, so if you like this YouTube video, smash the like button. Please do it. And subscribe.
1,000 times.
And we're gonna at least try to get 120,000.
No.
Like
no.
likes.
No. At least
At least 100.
3,000 subscribers.
Or at least 3,000. I mean not 3,000. Or at least 3,000. 3, 2, 1.
Elias's Gamers.
Okay, so if you want to become the Elias's game,
Or no, the Eliasins.
The Eliasins, then
Oh, no,
subscribe.
no.
So,
The Eliases and the Eliasias. Oh! They're not always going to do this. Go to Arizona. No!
Mark, Mia, here. Wait, we're not done yet. Go. We're not done yet. Just wait a couple minutes.
No. It's past 5 minutes. No. No. Okay, everyone. I'm gonna end the video here, and I'll see you guys
Please.
in the next
subscribe.
video.
Wait. Everybody smash that like button. Make at least 3,000 likes and about like 5,000 or a million subscribers. Please smash that like button and to subscribe.